Well, I know you're not a CapCut editor, and that's why you are very good. Today I'm going to show you one of the recent Filmora features that allows you to add a glowing effect to your titles without converting your title into a compound clip. Hey everyone, this is Filmora Focus. Just relax and enjoy the episode. Well, to make this video benefiting to everyone we have clicked, let's start by the usual way of adding a glow to your title. The very first thing is to use this option right here to add a quick text. I'm going to customize my title in this way. You have to right-select your title and then use this option right here to create a compound clip. And of course, right here you can go to the Effects tab and then search for the glow. There are a couple of glow effects right here, but this is the most recommended one, the glow color. As soon as you drag it onto the compound clip, you're going to see the glow showing up. And now let's move on to the exact reason why I've decided to create this video for you guys. And here, of course, there's no need for me to undo this compound clip because I already have another text. All right, now this time around, we are not going to create a compound clip. So go to the text tab right here. And when you scroll down here, you are going to see this glow option right here. When you turn it on, you're going to see that the text is glowing already. And here you also have a couple of settings to customize your glow the way you want it. Starting off with the glowing type, there is the glowing edge, which is the default. And of course, there is the glowing rays to allow more creativity. You can change the color. Down here, you can also adjust the intensity range. But for the traditional and the most used glow, you can just use the glowing edges and then customize it to make it look better. Now, one more thing before you leave this video, my friend. This doesn't mean that you are no longer going to use the compound clip method, because if you look on these properties right here, there's no way for you to keyframe this glowing. In some other projects, you may need to do the keyframes for creativity purposes. So in that case, you still need to use the compound clip method. Like in this case right here, you can either choose to increase the glow after some frames, and you can only through keyframes. And having that said, I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. And until I meet you in the next one, peace.
CapCut stumbles trying to race, but Filmora's strides are full of grace. With AI cutouts and keyframes.